Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Ally Bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So without further ado, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL ally.com. Once you do that, you'll be headed to their website and click on the login button at the top right of the page. Then you'll need to enter your information that you used to log into your Ally Bank account. First thing you need to do is select your account type. Then enter your username. Once you enter your username, you'll then have to enter your password. So after filling all your information, click on login and you'll be logged into your Ally Bank account. But if you do not have an account, click on enroll in auto or bank and invest. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, click on forgot username or password. So once you fill in all your information, click on login and you'll be logged into your Ally Bank account. So there you have it. That's how you log into your Ally Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.